Mr. Cruz observes and gives oral recitations, term paper, projects, reflection papers, different kinds of tests to students in EduC6. What principle of assessment best explains this? Effective assessment requires letter A, a clear concept of all intended learning outcomes. Letter B, a variety of assessment procedures should be used. Letter C, an instructional relevance of the procedures should be considered. Or letter D, the specifications of criteria for judging successful performance. What is our choice? Si Mr. Cruz po ay isang toxic na guro, di ba? Si Mr. Cruz po ay pinapahirapan yung kanyang mga estudyante, di ba? So, ayun na si Mr. Cruz. May oral recitation, may term paper pa, may project pa, may reflection paper, iba't ibang uri ng test, okay? And so, ang tumpak na choice po natin dito would be letter B. Iba-iba yung assessment procedures na ginamit ni Mr. Cruz. Which is true, no? Tama po yan. Pero wag naman po sana natin pamarisan si Mr. Cruz. O sobra naman si Mr. Cruz. Feeling ni Mr. Cruz ay mag-isa lang po siyang guro. Okay? So siya lang po yung guro, feeling ni Mr. Cruz. Alright? So letter B, ang tumpak na choice for number 37.